Hello beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a soft glam look on my client. This is so exciting because it's the first time I'm doing this on camera. So I hope you'll enjoy this video as I enjoy doing this video for you guys. To start off, I use duo lash glue and also eyebrow pencil from Elf Cosmetics. This combination is amazing. It works perfectly for me. If you've never tried this kind of process, make sure that you try. It is amazing and gives you a long-lasting eyebrow all day long. Now I'm going to use a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than her skin tone under her eyebrows and also as a base for the eyeshadows. I'm going to use this lighter brown shade on this palette and also I'm going to use the darker brown shade on this palette. So I'll start first with the lighter brown, blend it on the outer corners and on top add the darker brown and blend it seamlessly. To move forward, I'm going also to use the Juvias palette and I'm going to use this light shade right here. I'm also going to put this on the description down below. So I'm going to use this only on the inner corners and also use a clean brush and blend everything together. Blending is the key. As you can see, blending is the key. Trust the process and make sure you blend everything together. Take your time, because if you don't blend well, you'll end up having some lines or some, funny application. So make sure that you take your time when blending. Applying the foundation, I'm going to apply concealer under her eyes, nose bridge, chin, and also on her forehead. And then I'm going to blend everything together seamlessly. I'm not going to use any contour, any cream contour today, because I want this to be a soft glam and also to be an easier application for you to recreate. Now I'm going to set her under eyes, forehead, nose bridge, and chin with the setting powder, and this is from banana powder. This is from Bene, is a banana powder. And then I'm going to use this palette to contour her face. I use a lighter loose powder to bake her under eye, and also use this palette, the same shades that I use on top on her eyelid. I'm going to use this under her eyes. Using the same palette that I use for the eyeshadows, I'm going to take the same colors and use them under her eyes. To finish this look, I'm going to use a Benefit foundation powder, and I'm going to blend this and also to dust out all the powders and make sure that everything is seamless as possible. And then I'm going to use the finishing spray and spray her face to make sure that this sets the whole day long. This is the finished look on my client. She's looking amazing, flawless, and it is easy application. You can also apply this. If you recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Keisha_Bigs to see you recreating this look. So what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed? Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Bye.